Keeping safe. Ants have clever ways of protecting themselves and their nests. Turtle ants have wide heads that they use to stop attackers from getting into their nests. These wood ants are squirting smelly liquid. The smell scares attackers away from the nest. Bullet ants inject an attacker with poison from the end of their abdomens. A black carpenter ant explodes, covering its attacker in a sticky glue so it can't move. Bullet ants have the most painful sting in the whole world. Under attack. There are many different creatures that eat ants for food. A black bear and her cubs find an ant nest under the rock. She uses her strong paws to flip the rock over. The cubs lick up the ants and their young with their tongues. Young insects, known as ant lions, dig holes and eat any ants that fall into them. This anteater has found an ant nest in a tree trunk. It licks up lots of ants quickly before they start to attack. Growing up. Young ants hatch from eggs laid by a queen. They grow into adults in stages. The eggs hatch and larvae come out. Adult ants care for them and feed them. Each larva spins a silk shell called a cocoon around itself. Its body changes inside. Around 3 weeks later, adult ants break out of the cocoon. These ants are keeping their larvae clean to make sure they stay healthy. Some ants grow up into adult ants without a cocoon. Starting a colony. Some types of ants have wings. They fly away from their nest to start new colonies of their own. A male and female carpenter ant fly into the air and then they mate. The female is now a queen, so her wings fall off. She finds a hole in an old log. She lays lots of eggs. They grow into workers, and this is the start of a new ant colony. This carpenter ant worker is chewing wood away to make the nest hole bigger. Some queens lick their eggs to make them hatch.